Hey, if you guys like jewelry inspiration and craft making and some great shopping hauls and some paper crafting, card making, things like that, make sure you hit like and subscribe and hit the little bell on the side so you don't miss anything. In this video, we are going to be doing some mixed media puzzle embellishments. And this is sort of the first mixed media project video that I'm going to do. One of many, hopefully. I have been dying to do some mixed media since I started my YouTube channel. I just got off into jewelry and card making and paper crafting and other stuff. So this was always the plan, was to incorporate some of this into the channel. So as we go along, you will see more and more, mixed media when I have the time to throw it in, okay? So I had this idea, actually, if I can speak, from looking at Pinterest. Now, there's lots of embellished puzzle pieces on Pinterest, but apparently people are using them for jewelry. I didn't want to do that because I didn't particularly find that to be attractive. It's just my opinion. You can see what you want. Go look at it on Pinterest and figure, you might like some of it, you might not. It just wasn't my thing. So I thought, well, wow, how about making some really cool embellishments to go on our different little projects, all of our little paper crafts that we do. So I sat down last night and I took a puzzle piece. I'll show you the puzzle. I got a dollar store puzzle, which was this one. And it has 24 pieces, and I was really looking for the appropriate size that I wanted because I thought this was a good size because the smaller ones would just be not enough, and they didn't have anything really, really big, so I thought this is the biggest I could find. So yeah, I got this one from the dollar store, and I took it out of the package, and I painted them all different colors. And let's see, I'll show you what I did. I painted them, okay? I painted this with turquoise, and then I added some of these glass beads. Glass bead gel. First I gessoed it. I'm going to show you what I did. I gessoed it. I painted it with 2 layers of paint. I added the glass beads, which gives it texture. And then I sprinkled some glitter on there. How pretty is that? They came out so great. I'm very, very happy with the way that they look. So I did that with all of these, and I just kind of was experimenting, to be honest with you guys. I had no idea what I was doing. I thought, well, at the very least it's just $1, and a little paint. So I'll show you the paints that I used. I got these paints at Target. I used Shell, which I believe is this one. Isn't this pretty? So that's the Shell Satin, beautiful with glitter gold. And then I used Rose, which is this one, which is a shimmer. So this is Shimmer Rose, also at Target. So that's how that one came out. Beautiful. Okay. And then I used a coral. Coral's a little bit darker than the shell. And this is a satin. So that's how that came out. They do come out kind of matte. So if you want a little shine to them, you're going to have to use a gloss gel. So that's that one. And then I use this one I got at Walmart. It's just called Key West Matte Acrylic Paint. And then I use it on this, 2 coats with the glitter and the glass beads. So I use that one. Okay. So that's that one. And then I had 2 pieces left because I really wanted to see how bright this color was, and it's pretty bright. So yeah, we could save this piece for like our summer projects. But you know what? On our summer projects, this will look great. And look at the texture of the glass beads. How beautiful. Let me show you. I set it out just to show you. Now this is the Latex Professional, Liquitex Professional glass beads, okay? So this is what I use on this. This is how it looks when it dries. I don't know if anybody's ever used this, but I love it. I absolutely love it. It looks like, little beads. It's beautiful. So that's that one. And I'll show you what this looks like. It might be a little, something to be desired here because I've been using it, but that's how it looks on the inside. Wait, yeah, that's how it looks. So it's very textury and pasty, okay? So you just need a very little, and a little bit goes a long way, and this stuff lasts a very long time. All right? So that was that one. The candy pink with the glass beads. So 2 coats of that, all right? So those are colors that I used. And today, I'm going to put these aside for a second because I want to do a little demo for you guys. And my neighbor's dog is barking yet again every time I film. I have no idea why. Every time I get ready to do something, that dog starts yapping. So we just going to keep it moving because he's just going to have to shut it. at some point, hopefully. And the people are at home, by the way. So it's not like, you know, they're out and gone, they're at home. And they let the dog bark. But that's neither here nor there. So we shall continue. Anyway, I went to the dollar store today and I got this little puzzle. 24-piece puzzle. I got it because of the background. Because I thought the lighter background would work better for the different projects that I was going to do. And I got this one as well. Also for the background and for the size. You get 24 in each of these, so that means that they're a big size, kind of like that. So you can, you know, put all your embellishments on here really, really nicely. So I think that would work. So if you want to try this, definitely go to the dollar store and pick up your puzzles. Or if you have some old puzzles laying around, you know, in a bin somewhere and you were going to toss them or give them to Goodwill or something, take them out and make embellishments out of them, you know. So yeah, we got to use what we have. All right, so let's go ahead and get started so I can show you our mixed media puzzle embellishments. I'm so excited. Let's get started. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get started on our project. So I decided I'm going to use this puzzle and I'm going to open it here. So we're going to open it up and see what it looks like. And I have my plate set up for our paint and all the stuff we're going to be using it, you know, with. So we're going to make a mess on our table. So alright, so this is how the little puzzles come in these little bags, which are cute. Alright, so what I like to do, I'll put this aside for 1 second. I like to open up the puzzle and lay out all the pieces just to take a look at how they're shaped, because, you know, there are some pieces that you may want to save for other things. Like I made some pieces I'm going to probably use with some other crafting things that I have. So, and then I have some that I'm going to use for Christmas stuff. So you can use these pretty much, you know, for anything if you want. If you want to make Christmas decorations or packaging or embellishments or whatever. So, see, I love this shape. I really love that shape. I love that. And I like this shape too. I like little odd shapes, okay? So I'm going to lay some of these out. I like all these shapes. This one has a nice little, these have nice little shapes to them. Uh-oh, that one's broken. Can't use that. That was right out of the bag. Yeah, they have really cool little shapes to them. So, you know, we could use them for different things. And I'm going to try to paint these gold. So I'm going to paint them different colors. I might even do some red, you know, some traditional holiday. See, I like the shape of that. I like the shape of that. That's really nice. Some different colors, because I'm going to use them for different things. And, you know, you can put stickers on these. You can put all kinds of, you know, little, your gemstones and anything else that you want, you know, on here. So I like the ones that I picked out. All right. So I'm going to put some of them in push some of them aside so I can go ahead and start painting them with the gesso. Because I want them to dry, because I want to be able to show you what they look like. All right. So I like that one. I like these, actually. These 4. All right, so that's what we're going to do. So we're going to open our gesso. And I'm just using an acrylic gesso. I got this. This is the Artist Loft. I got this at Michael's a while ago. And they literally had two big 16 ounces for like $5 or something. And this lasts a long time. So, yeah, get yourself a big tube of white acrylic gesso or white gesso. Or whatever medium you decide to use. So I'm using that for this. Alright, so I have my brush here. I have everything ready, so I can go ahead and start painting. So that's what we're going to do. Alright, let's paint our little piece here. Just give it a coat, and it'll dry pretty fast. This brush might be a little too big for this. I should have used a smaller brush, because it leaves big strokes, but I have to find my smaller brush. Alright, so we're going to leave that there. And let's see. Oh yeah, see, look, I have a smaller brush. Yeah, let's use our smaller brush. Let's see how that works out for us. That might work out a little better. Let's see. Oh yeah, a little bit better. Okay. So, and you will get this on your hands. This is going to be a little bit of a messy project. So we're just gessoing our pieces here. You don't have to do this. I guess you can just paint over them if you want to. But, you know, I wanted to layer different mediums on here, and I want it to be able to adhere to the piece. I don't want it to fall apart, you know, because this is cardboard we're painting on. So let's just remember that, okay? All right, let's remember that. All right, so we got that. Let me put this one over here so it can dry, okay? Okay, so I painted my little 4 pieces. I'm going to paint a few more with the gesso because I'm waiting for them to dry. And I'm just trying to get this stuff off my hands here. All right, so we set our little pieces aside. I'm going to do the 14 karat gold. I'm going to use this metallic acrylic 14 karat gold paint. I got this at Target, multi-surface. So yeah, Target has some really good paints over there, and it says you can use on wood, glass, ceramic, metal, canvas, paper, indoor, outdoor, non-toxic. So yeah, this is pretty good. It's a beautiful color. So you know I'm gonna add some glitter and stuff to this, right? Matter of fact, I should probably get my red glitter out so I can embellish it for my Christmas embellishments. Okay. So we're letting those little pieces dry, and I'm going to go ahead and do some more. And you know, the thing is you can do these and paint them whatever color and then just sit them aside, because you can just, when you need embellishments, you can just grab these and just start, you know, gluing on your embellishments, you know? So that's a really good idea. There are actually other YouTube videos where people have done this in the past. I'm just doing my version of it. So this isn't anything that's new or anything like that. This is just, you know, the way that I would do it. So when you make your own, you can make them however you want to make them. If you don't want to add gesso, don't. If you want to add whatever, just add whatever, you know. It's really a personal choice. There's no right or wrong to it. It's just a personal choice. So this is just what I'm doing because this is what I want to do. But, you know, everybody has something different in mind that they want to accomplish. So this is just my version of it. But yeah, I saw people on Pinterest doing jewelry. I'm like, no, not really my thing. But hey, you know, again, personal choice. If they want to make jewelry, then fabulous. You know, I'm not going to be doing that with this. Embellishments all day long. No jewelry, though, so that's not going to happen, all right? And I want to paint enough of them to have, you know, what I'm going to do is the ones I made, I'm just going to put some of them aside. So when I want to use them with other collections, you know, that I can do that. Or just send them like that to someone and, you know, as a gift. Or to, you know, something like that, and people can do, you know, add their own stuff to it, right? Everybody can do what they want to do. Okay. Now I'm waiting for these to dry so I can go ahead and add the paint to them. So I'm just gonna, you know, I'm just adding more pieces here, you know, so I can have a nice little collection going on. All right, so we're gonna do that. Here, I'm putting them aside. Okay. All right, so I'm waiting for the rest of them to dry. I'm gonna go ahead and paint this one. And you know what? Oh, here's my red glitter, because I may want to use this for, I'll see how the paint comes out. But I really want to use this piece for some of my holiday embellishments. Okay, so I'm opening it up here, and I'm gonna use some of the pink ones I made also from the holiday embellishments. I'm gonna go ahead and decorate one of those for you so you see how it turns out. Okay, so I'm gonna use this little brush. I had a big old brush yesterday, but I'm gonna try this little brush. Oh, look at that. It's sheerer than I thought, but so you know, it means you're gonna probably have to add a couple more coats when you have a sheerer paint. For some reason I thought it was more opaque, but you know what, I have an opaque gold and I think I'm gonna use that instead. So yeah, this is a little sheer, but still pretty. Yeah, I'm getting it on the back here. I got a little too much on the brush. Way too much paint on the brush. Alright. So, yeah, a little too sheer. Okay, kids. Well, I have... Look at this one. I know this one is good. Look at this one. Alright. Alright, so... I think what we're going to do is open our dollar store palettes. I bought these today. Alright, so you know what? Let's set this one aside. I had no idea it was so sheer. It says metallic, so... But you know what? It's still going to be pretty. I have a feeling. Just not as opaque as I wanted it to. A little heavier, so... Ooh, see, look at that. Ooh. Yeah, that's going to be... Alright. Got a little of that in there. Alright, so... This one's dry, so let's try this one. Ooh, look at that. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. That's like a yellow gold, huh? Yeah, there we go. Definitely much more opaque. Covers more. Oh, that's pretty. Wow, huh? Beautiful. You know what? I think this color would look good over this. Yes, you think? This is still pretty though, so I might put another coat over that. We'll have two different color golds. There you go. There you go. I like that kind of yellow gold. And this, when it dries, it's going to be beautiful. Okay, so let's find another sort of dry one here. And let's use it on here. Oh, I like that. It's just pretty. It's very pretty. And you know what? You can paint these any color you want to go with any project you want. If you want some really pretty embellishments, you know, then this is what you can do. Look at that. Oh, wow. That's beautiful. Ooh, purty. It's purty. Let me see if I'm getting these corners here. All right, so let's I'm gonna use this brush. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna use this brush, my Jane Davenport paintbrush, for this one because I want to see. I'm curious now, and the different color golds. I'm very curious as to. I got a little bit of that on there. Oh, look at that. It's mixed. How our little mistakes can turn out to be fabulous. Look at that. Wow. I do like that. It is sheer, but I like it. That's a lot more opaque. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let me see. I had another gold over here somewhere. I have a turquoise. I know that will look great. I have a navy blue. Oh, this is a nice gold too. Old gold. Let me see. We're gonna have a few different golds over here. Oh, I like that one. Oh, this is the Artist Loft. I got this at Michael's. So this is the Artist Loft gold. Let's try that one too. We have ourselves 3 different color golds here, kids. Just to see what's what. Okay. Now this is the Artist Loft's color. Not as sheer as this one, but it's very close. So yeah, these are pretty though. It's a little bit more yellow, and the other one it's a little bit lot darker. So I like this one too. I like them all. Yeah, look at that. That's pretty. See how different that is? These are kind of close. So these are 3 different golds. So I guess it's just a matter of which one you like, and you know which one you want to do. I think they all would work for different things too. You know, this could work for your Christmas stuff, and this can work for your other projects you got going on. So I think it's pretty. Let me see. Can we use this all over it? Let's just put some of this over it since we're here. Right? Here, let's just mix them. See what happens. That's the whole point of mixed media. Right? Oh, I like that. Yeah, just lose a little bit of this the Artist Loft gold on top of this gold. This is Diana Weekly. Yeah, I got this to Hobby Lobby on sale. I'm sure it was in one of my haul videos too. So those of you who say, you know, you buying all this stuff, what are you doing? I'm using it. Thank you. Yeah, I like that actually. So let me see. I think what I'm going to do with this one is add some. Oh yeah, look at that. It's so pretty. I'm going to add some glass beads to this one because I like the coloring of that. Okay, okay. They're still beautiful. God, it's still beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, pretty. I like them all. All different kind of golds. Beautiful. All right. All right, so we're going to let that dry for a sec. And then we're going to come back and we're going to decorate a few.